Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of the tree work little series I'm doing. As you can see, I have picked up around our tree that we were cutting earlier, and this is what we were left with after I was done cutting there. And now we're left with the good stuff, and the good stuff is what I'm bringing to my friend over, at his house. He runs his house off of wood, so every little bit that I get, because I don't run my house off of wood, that's propane and natural gas going in my house, so I give it to him, and he gives me a couple bucks. So sit back, relax, and we'll get this chopped up and loaded up into the Silverado, and get this thing done. Alright, guys, fast forward half an hour. We got all the wood in the back of the truck ready to go. Just got the leaves to blow together and rake up into the trash can, and we'll be good to go.